washing machine, and as you can see, it just fits right in our bathroom. Super compact, but it still holds a good amount. So it has two different compartments. This is the washing bin, and then over here is the drying bin. So as you can see, like it holds a good amount of clothes. I don't know if you can see from the video, but it holds a good amount of clothes. So this washer bin will wash your clothes, and then afterwards it has this spinning function for the ones that just need an additional spin to dry. So it whips them around, and then if you needed to, you can then just like hang dry your clothes or do whatever. But yeah, this is what it looks like. There are two different water inlets, so on both sides if you needed to access one or the other. And then there's of course this hose that you just connect to your sink or to your tub, and it allows the water to flow out. So really quick, really easy. As you can see, it's a short wash time. It doesn't take a lot of time. And yeah, it's just super convenient. You can always take it with you if you're going somewhere, camping or going on vacation where they don't have a washing machine. It's just a great option.